Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Falco, one of the key members of the Circus team, and I'm happy to share with you the token economy model of Circus Web3 with its token XW3. So today, over the, let's say, next 30 minutes or so, I will walk you through how the XW3 token serves as the beating heart of our infrastructure, how it creates value for our community, builders and creators, and how our revenue streams fuel this economy to ensure sustainability and growth for all the stakeholders. So for those new to Web3, welcome. We are Circus. Welcome to Circus. And this is the next evolution of the internet. This is what Web3 is, what it's all about, and how to build on blockchain technology where decentralization, user ownership, and trustless systems take the center of the stage. So at Circus, we've built an infrastructure that empowers communities, builders, and creators. And the XW3 token plays a pivotal role in making everything work. So it's not just a token, it's the utility token that actually connects every part of our ecosystem, from marketplaces to launchpads to developers' tools. So we have designed the XW3 to be the glue that holds our infrastructure together, ensuring that seamless interactions and value creation for everybody will be where everyone will be involved. So in this webinar, I will break this into 4 different parts. First, I will cover the token utilities for our community holders, and then I will tell about the builders and the founders, creators and developers, and then I will dive into the revenue models that actually fuels the XW3 token economy, showing how our ecosystem actually creates this self-sustaining, let's say, cycle where all the stakeholders benefit from actions taken within our infrastructure. So let's start with the community holders, which is the lifeblood of the Circus ecosystem. These are the individuals who hold the XW3 tokens and actively participate in our platform. And I'm proud to say that we've designed the XW3 token to offer them multiple utilities, encouraging engagement and rewarding their commitment. I apologize. So first, holders can stake XW3 for rewards. Staking means basically locking up your tokens to support our infrastructure. Think of it as let's like helping us to secure the network or validate transactions. And in return, you earn a share of the Circus revenue. So this is a core part of how XW3 functions as our utility token. It incentivizes the holders to contribute to the ecosystem while rewarding them for their loyalty. So for example, if you as a community holder would stake 1,000 XW3 tokens, you will receive a portion of the revenue that we generate from our services. That is creating a passive income stream for you. And second, holders can purchase items from our flagship marketplace. So this marketplace is a cornerstone of our infrastructure. And I'm excited to share that it will sell a wide variety of different types of assets. We are talking in this case about tickets to events, real-world assets called RWAs, like collectibles, music albums, and LPs. Not LPs like liquidity pools, but LPs like vinyl, and even tokenized real estate, for example. But that's not all. We will also offer digital assets like Telegram stickers, NFTs, and much more. So imagine using your XW3 to buy a limited edition of an LP, vinyl, from your favorite artist, or a piece of tokenized real estate, all within the ecosystem that we are building. We are talking about the Circus ecosystem, but the bigger picture looks actually more interesting. And this is what I will explain in the next couple of webinars. But for now, understand that our ecosystem has been designed and developed in order to amplify each single part of the ecosystem in the infrastructure blocks that we are creating. But you may expect that it will work as a whole integrally. But I will explain that later. So step by step. So in this way, it creates a vibrant economy where XW3 is the key to accessing these different types of assets. And thirdly, holders can back projects on the Circus Launchpad. And the Launchpad is the platform where new Web3 projects can raise funds by offering tokens to early supporters. So by using XW3 token, holders get early access to these projects, becoming active participants in the growth of the space, the community. And for instance, if a new decentralized gaming project launches on our Launchpad, you could use your XW3 to invest early, potentially earning rewards if the project takes off. And this utility ensures that XW3 is the gateway to innovations within our infrastructure. So for our community holders, XW3 is the key to earning rewards, accessing a diverse marketplace, and supporting new projects. It's the utility token that actually makes all these interactions possible, ensuring that the holders are deeply integrated into the ecosystem that we are creating. I call it the Circus ecosystem right now, but once I have explained the whole big picture, we will name it differently, and it will be a big surprise, because that is something that we are currently setting up. Let's go to section 2 in this case, which is the builders and the founders. So the builders and the founders are the visionaries who create projects and businesses built on top, together with Circus. And these are the entrepreneurs and teams launching decentralized applications, or dApps, and other Web3 initiatives. So we've designed XW3 to be the utility token that empowers their journey, providing them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. We as founders knows exactly how painful it could be from the very beginning to build from scratch. How cool would it be if you are a project and you could basically work with all the toolkits, tool sets, community, resources, contacts, and everything we have? Because we are here to embrace all the projects who wants to build on Ton. So first, builders can access premium Xircus Studio products. Xircus Studio is our suite of, let's say, tooling, advanced tools for building dApps, mini apps, but in this case, mini apps. Think of smart contract templates, user interface builders, and analytics dashboards. So by paying with XW3, builders unlock these premium features, which help them to create high-quality projects more efficiently. For example, a founder is currently building a decentralized finance mini app. So they could use our tools to design a seamless user experience, all paid for with XW3. This utility ensures that XW3 is the key to accessing the best tools in the infrastructure we are offering. And secondly, builders can deploy Ton mini apps or dApps. As you know, or if you don't know, Ton is a scalable blockchain integrated in our ecosystem. So using XW3, builders can deploy these mini apps, which are lightweight applications that run on Ton, making it easier to create solutions, decentralized solutions. So imagine you are a founder deploying a mini app for a decentralized social media platform, all facilitated by, with, and powered by XW3. So this integration lowers the barrier to entry for any type of builder, whether you are experienced or not. And XW3 is the utility token that makes that happen. And thirdly, builders can raise XW3 for projects from Pitch Circle. So the Pitch Circle is basically like, see it as a crowdfunding platform. It's our crowdfunding platform where founders pitch their ideas to the community and raise XW3 tokens. So this provides a decentralized way to fund projects, to support them, and for them in order to get moving, bypassing the traditional venture capital in the very beginning stage. And this is crucial because if you can create the product, have an MVP, build and find your product market fit, you will succeed as a founder in finding the right types of investors for your project. In this case, as an example, a team building a decentralized marketplace where they could pitch their idea on Pitch Circle and our community holders could contribute XW3 to help them to get started. XW3 is the utility that will enable this funding mechanism, connecting the builders with the community. So for builders and founders, XW3 is the pivotal token that unlocks premium tools, facilitates the app deployment, and secures the funding. It's like an end-to-end solution, how we are always saying with Circus. But in this case, it's an end-to-end solution to get started from scratch, from nothing to something, to hopefully the world that you could reach. And the utility token empowers their innovation within our infrastructure, ensuring that they can bring the Web3 vision alive. Basically what we are doing as well. So the next pillar, let's say, we are looking at the creators and developers. So these are the technical innovators who build and customize solutions on Circus. These could be coders, designers, and coders, designers that could be front-end developers, back-end developers, graphic designers, UI, UX designers, or any other type of entrepreneurs driving the platform, the tech growth, let's say. So we've ensured that XW3 is the utility token that empowers them to create, monetize, and to collaborate. So first, they can create a Circus stall, let's say, and list products. And you might be wondering, what is a stall? In this case, let's say a stall is a digital storefront on our platform where creators can list their products. As I mentioned earlier, our flagship marketplace will offer a wide range of assets. And the same diversity applies here as well, where creators can list NFTs or Telegram stickers, tickets, or even tokenized RWAs like collectibles or real estate. So by using the XW3, they can set up their stall and reach the community. I would say the Circus community, but we have a bigger plan, but that's something for later. So for example, a creator might list a set of exclusive Telegram stickers, which we have seen lately, that they are popping up and actually booming on ton. So Telegram stickers are interesting, or an NFT artwork, and selling them for XW3 and earning a profit. And secondly, they can customize and resell Circus products. So we offer modular, white label products like templates for dApps, mini apps, or NFT marketplaces that developers can customize and resell. For instance, a developer could take our basic NFT marketplace template and unique features like gamification and resell it to another project, all while using XW3 for transactions. So this creates a secondary market for our products, and XW3 is the token utility that facilitates these types of exchanges. And third, developers can stake XW3 to provide SDK or API services. So SDKs and APIs are tools that help developers build on and with Circus. So by staking these XW3, developers can offer these services and potentially earning fees or rewards when others use their SDKs or APIs. So for example, a developer might stake XW3 to provide an API for integrating Circus payments into the mini apps and earning a small fee for each transaction. So XW3 is a utility token that makes this collaboration possible. So that means we are creating a developer's ecosystem within our infrastructure. And this is for creators and developers. XW3 is the key to actually start building customizing and monetizing their creations. It's the utility token that ensures and can thrive within the, I would say, Circus ecosystem, but let's keep it as Circus ecosystem, but it will contribute to growth. So now that I've covered how XW3 actually powers our ecosystem for different groups, let's explore the revenue streams that fuel this token economy. Because we've built a robust infrastructure that generates revenue through different types of models, which are then redistributed to sustain the ecosystem and enhance the value of XW3. And this creates a self-reinforcing cycle where the token plays a crucial role, pivotal role, and all the stakeholders benefit from actions taken within our ecosystem. So let's break down the revenue streams as shown here. So we generate income through basically three main channels. As you can see, transaction fees and subscription plans and tokenized asset sales. So let me clarify on these. So these transaction fees, these fees are fees charged on all transactions within our ecosystem. Whether you are buying an NFT ticket, it's free to use, by the way. So whether you are buying an NFT ticket, an NFT aura ticket, or a tokenized piece of real estate on our flagship marketplace, or deploying a mini app, the fees from 1% to 5%, depending on the activity, will be charged. Subscription plans, we offer the subscription plans for premium features, such as access to Xircus Studio products. And these plans ranging from $49 to $499, likely on a monthly or annual basis, and are available once we reach 5,000 monthly active users. And we have the tokenized asset sales. What are these exactly? So we also earn revenue by selling pieces like NFTs, Telegram stickers, or RWAs, with prices ranging from $5 to $300, as you can see. So these revenue streams feed into our platform splitter. It goes all into our platform splitter. What does it mean? So it's basically a mechanism that distributes the income to various stakeholders. So 50% goes to the platform. So 50% from all of the three streams, fees, are going to the platform. Half of it. This portion is reinvested into Circus to improve our services, develop new features, and ensure long-term sustainability. So for example, this could fund the expansion of our flagship marketplace to include more RWAs or enhance our integration in Ton. And out of the 20% will go to the team. So it supports us, the core team, ensuring we can continue to innovate and manage the platform. 10% to infrastructure, to cover operational costs, server hosting, blockchain, all kind of infra costs. 10% to the marketing, to fund promotional activities, to grow our community, and to fuel partnerships and events. And 10% to development, so to continue supporting ongoing development, bugs fixes, new integrations, or whatsoever. So let's focus on the ecosystem part. Very interesting, because here, and the community, of course, but let's see how it works as a whole. Because these are directly fueling the XW3 token economy, talking about these allocations for ecosystem and community. 5% goes to the foundation, and this supports governance or aligning with our mission. And 5% to staking, so this is distributed to community holders who stake XW3, providing a direct reward mechanism. And 10% to liquidity. This ensures that there's enough XW3 in the market for trading and transactions, maintaining its usability. Here to the community part, 5% early holders. Early holders are rewarded, encouraging for their initial participation, and 10% to the DAO holders. So our DAO allows the community to actually govern the platform. Governing the platform means the DAO holders who stake XW3 and receive rewards. 5% will go to the pension pool. It's a long-term reward system for loyal users. And 10% to rewards. This is distributed for active participants like creators selling products or developers providing these SDKs. So we also allocate funds for ecosystem components like DAO NFTs, XNS domains, data provider SBTs, and AI agents. And these are basically advanced features like XNS domains, might be decentralized domain names, or SBTs could be non-transferable tokens for identity, and AI agents might be automated tools. So these components generate additional revenue, which is cycled back into our ecosystem. So how does this actually fuels the token economy, and why the XW3 token is crucial and pivotal? So the XW3 token is the utility token that makes all these interactions possible, as I've mentioned. Transaction fees, subscriptions, and asset sales generates the revenue, which will be redistributed to the stakeholders, like the DAO holders, creators, and this incentivizes the participation. Holders stake more XW3, builders deploy more mini apps or dApps, and creators list more products, all of which generate more transactions and revenue. So the increased activity drives demand for XW3, and users need the token to access services, pay fees, or stake for rewards. So I hope you can see the real utility here that we are building for the XW3 token, because this demand can increase the token's value, appreciate the value, benefiting all the stakeholders. So what is truly exciting is how it is actually interconnected into our ecosystem. The XW3 token and all projects related to Circus that are being built by Circus, powered by Circus, whether it's a dApp or a Ton mini app, Telegram mini app, a stall on our marketplace, or a project on our Launchpad, all of them are linked through our infrastructure. And every action taken within Circus benefits all stakeholders. For example, when a creator sells an NFT on the flagship marketplace, the transaction fee generates revenue, part of which goes to the stakers and DAO holders. And when a builder deploys a mini app, it attracts more users, increase marketplace activity, and benefiting creators. So all of this interconnected ensures that every participant, whether you are a holder, a builder, or a creator, everyone will benefit from the growth of what Circus is facilitating here and creating the ecosystem. I hope you guys have any type of questions regarding to this. We are happy to answer them, happy to discuss them, and we would like to share more insights about the next steps, how we are actually executing, integrating the token, and I will present that in a roadmap later on in the next version. And then we are going to showcase how we are building the ecosystem with, let's say, pillar projects within our expand ecosystem that will amplify each of them that we are building, and how we are integrating more products with partners where we are those who we are facilitating, creating cool things. Even with TGBTC, we are doing something fantastic right now. And I would be happy to showcase this and how it actually fits into the ecosystem. But step by step, first things first. See you on the next webinar, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.